everyone, Sandra here from the Schwoven's Nest. I wanted to share with you a thrift store haul that I did with my friend Sonja over at Domestic Diva. I will link her channel below in the description box. So please go and check out her channel. She does all sorts of great things, from recipes to vlogging to DIYs and crafting, and also some hauls as well. We went to quite a few different places, and then we went for lunch, which was a nice break and some time to catch up with her, which was really fun. And so I'm going to show you some of the things that I picked up. Sonja has her haul up on her channel as well. So the first store I'm going to take you to is Value Village. It is a Canadian or an Ontario thrift store, and we've got quite a few of them around Ontario. The first thing I picked up was this really nice candlestick holder. It actually has a spot for a votive holder in there. It's kind of a coppery looking color. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it this color. I'll most likely paint it, but I thought it was a really neat design, and this one was $2.99. The next thing I picked up was this metal letter, and of course my name is Sandra and my channel is Schwoven, which also starts with an S, so I had to grab this. It was $4.99. I did see some at Michael's the other day, and I think they were about $15 or $20. Another great buy that I picked up was this letter holder, and this was priced at $2.99. It's solid wood. It actually has a nice little rooster design on the front here, which I might keep, but I'll probably get rid of the flowers. Has two nice slots in there to be able to put things in, and it's very sturdy. So I thought that was a cute buy. $3.99, and I literally just picked it up because it's a solid piece of wood. It can be made into something else, and I really liked the burned edges, the way it is, and the texture of it. When I'm thrifting, I always try to look for unique items and things that are old, and maybe, you know, just something that's different. I don't like to just get regular plain boring frames and that kind of thing. So I did find this frame. It's plastic, but I think if I give that a nice coat of chalk paint in some color, I can either use it this way or I could use it this way. It's really unique with the detailing, and that one was $2.99. Here we go with my cutting boards. So this is a cutting board that I picked up. It's solid wood. It looks like someone has already done some painting with it, so they've done a little bit of a design. This one was $3.99. I will probably either sand this off or leave it or paint it a different color and use this for a sign, possibly hang it in the kitchen. That's a really nice size of a cutting board, and it has a match. So here's another cutting board. Looks probably from the same person because the handle is painted. Again, this was $3.99, and it's in really good shape. I might just sand it down a bit and use it for a sign as well. So that's why I pick up a lot of cutting boards, because I love to do wood signs, and to buy a board like this for $4 is a really inexpensive compared to, say, if you would go to Home Depot or Lowe's somewhere and get the wood, and then you'd have to sand it and treat it. So things like this are a really good buy. If you like wood and you're into wood like I am, that's what you need to look for at the thrift stores. This basket is humongous and it's really neat. It's in fantastic shape. Somebody, I guess, just didn't want it or didn't like it anymore. It was a little bit on the pricey side. It was $9.99, but considering it's really big and it's really strong and sturdy, I thought it would be really cool to put on top of my cupboards in my kitchen. I have vaulted ceilings in my kitchen, so they're about 11 feet high, so I've got lots of space on top. And with this being nice and big, I think it'll turn out really nice. Maybe I'll put some greenery in it or something different. Another thrift store that Sonja took me to, which I've only been to once, and it's local in town here. I don't think they have anywhere else in Ontario, so it was just something that we went and took a look at, and I found some really nice china pieces. I love looking and watching Robin Johnson. Shout out to Robin. Hey, you're a great inspiration for me. and she does Thrift Store Thursdays. I will also link her channel in the description box below so you can go check out what she's doing. But she always finds these really unique china pieces. That's what she's on the lookout for. And I scored a couple of really nice ones. Actually, 4 really nice ones. This first one is a nice little pot or container. And it just is really sweet with the really soft colors on the pansies here. And I just thought for farmhouse decor that would look really pretty with some greenery in it, or just plain sitting on a shelf or maybe on its own little plate. So I decided to pick that one up, and I believe that was $6.99 for this. The other one that I grabbed was this tiny little soup tureen. I think he's so cute. I'm really addicted to things that are cute and tiny. He would look awesome with a nice little plant artificial greenery inside of him. So I got that one for $4.99. This one was $2, and it's just a little oval shaped, again, something different shape-wise. It's got some nice green and blue striping on it. I thought that was pretty. And this one was only $2. So the last thing I picked up, and you will see the matching item in Sonja's decor haul as well, in her thrift store haul. And it is this tulip pot or container, I guess you could call it. It could even be a serving dish. It has really muted colors of lilac and greens and some yellows, and the stems on it, the detail work is really pretty. The 2 little handles. They had this 75% off, and I got it for $2. It's just gorgeous. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. I think it's pretty enough just to have it sitting out on its own. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got some inspiration for thrifting and upcycling some of the items that you can find for cheap into home decor for your house. Another shout out to Sonja from Domestic Diva, and we'll probably be doing some things together in the near future as well, so keep an eye out for those things. Another shout out to Robin Johnson, who does her Thrift Store Thursdays. I'll put both of those channel links in my description box. And thanks for watching. I hope you had a great time, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope you liked my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Have a great day.